Nope, it's not my birthday. We were heading to Piedmont for my buddy Ryan's birthday. Yes, at Piedmont. I'm going to make it out to other events, other venues. It's just Piedmont's right down the road. And I mean, it's a cool place to go. So let's go do that. That was kind of close.
Yeah.
All right, we're here for Ryan's birthday. This is his car, and it might be his birthday, but we're gonna beat him up and take it because I want this, and he's gonna help me.
You split 50-50.
I don't know. We'll beat him up, and we'll take the car, and then
figure it out.
I'll beat you up, and I'll just take the car for myself. No, I can't do that. I'll give you a part of it.
I called the front end.
Maybe. Let's go catch up with Ryan and see what's up. I'm actually not sure why it spun at the end right there.
Yeah, I know.
That was weird.
I think I bound up. Like, I think I might still be bounded up because I'm 10.5 wide in the front.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Because what you were doing, you shouldn't have spun at that last spot.
Because I'm learning to, like, lift, like, right before the top of the hill.
Yeah. Yeah, I can feel it. Off my bike all the way over here. We were about to go ride with Carrie and that thing, but I'm gonna put the bike back up. Whew. Woo. Thank you. How's it going? Ooh, I like this. So is this SR pretty stock, or have you guys done some stuff to it?
Yeah, it's pretty stock. It has pretty much all the bolt-ons you can get. Like internally it's stock.
Okay.
But I have like the power SC,
Yeah.
the gradient intake manifold, a bigger injector, and that's about it.
All right. Man, all this stuff is pretty much the same period as all my stuff.
Oh really?
Old.
Yeah. I like the old school JDM stuff. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
You know, I grew up like watching like the what is it, those option,
Do what?
the JDM option videos.
Oh yeah, dude.
Yeah, so I always wanted to build something like that.
Yeah, I had a JDM Insider DVD back in the day. I used to watch that thing on repeat. A bunch of street drifting and everything.
I think Eddie's gonna follow, so it's a little bit of pressure, but hopefully I do alright.
Yeah, just don't even think about him.
Yeah.
Just think as if you're going all by yourself and just doing the same line and everything. Dude, this feels nice, man.
Oh my god. A little too saucy.
A little too much, man. You got it, man. You got it.
I need some water. What do you think though? How do you does the car sound pretty cool?
Dude, it feels nice. It's got like, it's responsive. You have plenty of power, man. It's good.
Hey, my leg is.
Eddie wants to give you a ride.
All right, I'll hop in with him. So this is Carrie's car, and now we're gonna go ride with the big brother. Dude, you guys did a good job with that car, man.
What you been?
That car feels nice.
Oh yeah, not too bad. We're still working on it.
Yeah, but I mean, it's set up well, dude. It feels really nice.
What's Ryan doing? Oh, you drifted?
He's taking Ryan's line. When you teach him how to manji, listen to it.
Yeah. All right, ready?
Let's do it. Nice, man. What size tires are running in the back?
The Kindas,
All right. They're like what, 235s?
265s.
Oh man. Yeah, you definitely got some grip back there.
Yeah.
But hey, grip means speed, so it's all good.
Yeah, like I said, I like it to, you know, make it drive, stay on it a little more.
Yeah.
I mean, it is wide as hell.
Yeah.
Just, I got 265s in the front, and I don't want to like run smaller than that.
Yeah, yeah.
Especially with a heavier car, I feel like it should, run a little more wider with tires. So.
Yeah. How much do these weigh? Like 3,500 pounds, or?
I don't know. I feel like more. Yeah, this is boring.
Hey man, it's a stock car basically.
Yeah, I mean, it's just easier to work on. Puts a couple parts.
Yeah. I mean, like what you have with this is reliability. It's nice and simple. You don't have 100 things to break.
First, the 240, I had the RB25. I'm put in it.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so
nice.
I'm trying to make like at least five.
That's plenty.
I was trying to build like a Pro 2 car, but not compete.
Right.
Well, I want to do like, just,
yeah. Have a car on that level.
Yeah,
so,
exactly.
Yeah.
Just, be more fun to drive. I mean.
Yeah.
A little better.
I love that downhill in the back, man.
My first time going to Victory Lane was while I was in CP, right?
So these are Eddie and Carrie's car. These guys have been around for a while.
I don't know, sitting outside, it's just easy to grab, and there's a lot of people that come to the
So I didn't record too much actual talking, so I wanted to just hang out, shoot some photos, and shoot some video. But yeah, I don't know. Private events are fun. Anyway, right-hand drive S13 converted, 370Z, exclusive auto garage. They do some good work. So we're here for this dude. So let me turn this thing around. Ryan's birthday is today, and it's so early that the sun isn't out and no one's here yet. Actually, it's like way past the time we're supposed to be here. But happy birthday to this dude. If you don't know who this is, you should know who he is. And if you were at anything in the Carolinas, any big meet or streetwise or anything back in the day, you have this guy to thank for. He's in the background doing all the stuff.
Right. Yeah, no, like I think everybody needs to learn to respect their OGs. We got OGs like you. We were having that conversation earlier today. Chris Orsini, Lloyd, Cal, like all those guys. Like a lot of these kids drifting don't even know who these guys are.
I definitely want to give credit where credit is due, but the topic of grassroots drifting in the Carolinas and how it became a thing, 15 plus years ago, and everyone involved could easily encompass an entire video in and of itself. Like Ryan was saying, there are people like him, people like Trey from Hood Status that were, helping promote events and putting events on themselves and working in the background. And then, of course, you have people on the surface like the Orsini brothers, making Drift Brothers with, Lloyd Cal, Rodney Pilson, Wes Atkins, Timothy Palouse, Tommy Pham. And then you had, Hayden Horton with Ministry of Drift. And then everyone from Gun 'Em Down and Myrtle Beach Drift, Marshall Eagling, Joe Krzeski, Jeff Kite back in the day. All key names and kind of paving the way for drifting to become, on a grassroots level, what it is today in the Carolinas. And those are just a few of the names that are involved in, this giant world of drifting. And like I said, that can encompass an entire video in and of itself. Maybe I'll make a video on all this stuff later on down the road. Let me know what you guys think. But for now, let's focus on Ryan's birthday.
And we wouldn't have this if it wasn't for those guys. We wouldn't be here if it wasn't for those guys. So
yeah, drifting is it's been around for a long time.
It took a lot of us.
Yeah, it took a lot of us, and it took people who weren't driving to help make it that way.
Yeah.
But anyway, he put together a private event for his birthday, and with his sweet Koki S14. Still gonna beat him up and take it one day.
If that seat was slidable, you could drive it.
I can't reach the pedals.
Yeah. No, like Skiba told me that was the smartest thing I ever did, make the seat just fit me.
Yeah. That is
sorry, man. Like, sorry, man. You can't drive it. Like, sorry.
There's a lot of cars that can't drive it. But it was a lot of fun.
Yeah, it was a super fun day today. Like, I feel like I progressed a lot. I'm happy with the car. Like, I put it back on the trailer and it's ready to go. I'll drift twice this week. Like, I don't think there's anything better than that.
There isn't. I mean, you could drift every day. That'd be awesome.
Yeah.
Here's another OG.
What you guys talking about?
Just cars and drifting and being old.
Being old sucks. My knees hurt. My back hurts.
Yeah.
Yo,
I had to take 3 ibuprofen last night when I got in the bed.
Man,
I used to literally work all night and then go to work the next day, like work on my car because it was my only car, and then go to work the next day. I can't do it anymore.
I remember back in the day driving like 3 or 4 hours to an event in the drift car,
Drift
driving back
all day, and
drive
then
back
drive
that night.
Yeah. And sometimes you wouldn't even eat all day, or you have like a hot dog or something.
Yeah, that's drifting though. But I mean, it's worth it. You guys might know him for his Lexus, but can I show the E36?
Yeah.
Yeah, check this out.
I'm never drifting a Lexus again. This car drives so much easier.
Yeah, well, yeah, you don't have as much weight and everything, but
more angle, less weight, more noise. The SC is so silent.
Yeah, but it's nice though. I mean, it makes good noises. But I'm excited for this and this.
Yeah, this is hot boy business right here.
Yeah,
This is where it's at.
Hot boy business.
What are you talking about? You hot boy too?
Let me know these wheels though.
Yo, you're just as low and just as
No.
What are your rear wheel specs?
You're
Alright,
way
let's
lower.
see.
What are your rear wheel specs?
Are these 12s?
No, it's 11 and a half.
Alright, those are 11.
Yeah.
What are your fronts?
10 and a half.
Alright, we got to say. But you got the D-Max with the type, what was it, type 3?
Yeah.
Type 3 overs, like this joint is sick. The old school Faint Stars.
Yeah.
Drift school.
Bro, this thing is sick.
Yeah, I'm jealous.
And
I'm
it
jealous
makes-
of both of you actually.
It makes great. Man, you got as many dope cars as we do though.
Your car is a legitimate historical artifact.
Yes.
Like that car,
Wait, which one though?
the green car.
Oh, okay.
Like his green, green
Yeah,
coupe.
the
Like that car
turquoise.
has seen more seat time than I probably will ever see.
Yeah.
Like
I don't know, man,
Was
because
that
like
originally a two-tone?
No, it was originally like jade green.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I
Jade
wish,
green.
man. If it was
I actually
two-tone.
like that jade green.
Yeah, if it was two-tone, man, it would still be
I
two-tone.
love two-tone.
Same.
I love two-tones.
Yeah, but I mean, as long as I've been drifting that car, I've like taken like a year off at a time before. I mean, when I moved overseas,
Yeah.
I lived out in California.
Man, you had good lives, man. Did you ever go to events out in Cali?
No, I didn't. I didn't do
Man.
anything drift related. I went
What part
to
of Cali?
I was just north of LA. Well, I was
Ah.
literally in LA and Northridge. But when I was there, I went to classic like car meets, like old JDM like stuff.
Man,
so,
I'm
like
sure you saw
Corolla
some
and everything.
dope stuff out there.
Dude, there's some nice stuff, like a bunch of FBs and like old like Sunnies and
Nice,
Datsuns
man.
and everything.
Sick.
Yeah, Southern California is a place to be for like old school cars and stuff.
But not for taxes or traffic
Smog, yeah, nope.
or faithful women.
But yeah, we had a blast here, so I think I'm gonna call this here because it's cold and it's getting dark.
Cut. Good day.